Okay, next in Adobe After Effects, we have to check 3D camera tracking. Okay, so now we are using the tracking, but we are using the 3D camera tracking, right? So how to use that? So let us understand first. So what are these? 3D tracking in After Effects uses the 3D camera tracker effect to analyze video footage, automatically detecting camera movement and scene depth, then creating a virtual 3D camera and scene data that perfectly matches the original shot, allowing you to seamlessly add 3D elements like text, graphics, or 3D models that appear to be part of the real video. It is a core visual effects tool, right? It is very, very important. So tracking 3D elements. Actually, it is a core visual element tool for compositing. Mostly we use the compositing techniques, right? So making 2D footage feel like a 3D environment. We can add all the 2D stuff into 3D environment. It behaves look like 3D. How it works? First we have to analyze. So how to analyze? You apply the 3D camera tracker to your video layer. After Effects scans the footage, finding hundreds of tracking points and surfaces. Second step, scene reconstruction. So it calculates the camera's path and creates 3D scene, including a virtual camera and a ground plane, okay, or other surfaces based on those points. Next to targeting, you select a set of tracking points to define a specific surface like a floor or wall where you want to place an object. So target we have to give. Next to element placement, you create a new layers, whatever the text, solid, null, or import 3D objects, and afterwards automatically positions and orients them to stick to your chosen surface, moving and rotating with the scene, right? So let us check in practical. Okay, this is my composition, new composition. Already I have taken this one. Okay, now I am taking my video reference here. This is my video taken for the reference, right? So select this one. Here the right click, already the tracker is open. If you don't find the tracker, go to window and there is a tracker. Already the tick mark is showing, that means it is already opened in the right side of properties. Okay. Now if you don't select the video, these are in a disabled position, right? First select that one video, then it is showing the track camera. Okay, click on the track camera, it is analyzing in background, and if you observe here, there is a 3D camera properties here. The side it is calculating. See, it is the time remaining. It is showing how many frames are already analyzed. Okay, right now it is analyzing in background. The same thing here it is showing. So remaining 6 seconds, 4 seconds, like it is counting the numbers. Yeah, the solving camera. See, your camera is solid. Okay, now there is a light points are there. It is showing. Now what is this? This is actually, see, the target size. It is the track points are these are, okay, in advanced. Here we have the detail analysis are there. If you click on that, it is automatically what detailed analysis it is showing. Suppose like it is again they're doing the same thing, analyzing again actually. So already it is enlarged, but again when you give the tick mark, the detailed analysis, the box, it is again the taking, right? Give the check box. Now here it is almost, it is under the process, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 14 seconds, it is counting numbers, right? Yes, almost it is done, it's over almost. Yeah, now the camera, it is in solving, right? Now see here, the points are there actually. This is small points are appearing here. If you observe here, right, it's looking very small. What are these? What are those points? The tracking points, right? The small points is showing. But if you want to see that one, you can make it the big size. Suppose big size, it has a visibility. Okay, and this is what target size. Suppose it is in 100%. Now if you move this one here, the position where you are want to place your the object, actual the target object here, suppose here or there on top. So because it is what the 3D atmosphere is the right side showing, it is the left side showing, top it is showing, and it is the bottom it is showing, right? So where you want to place your object, suppose here or there, you can decrease the size little bit. Yes, now here the size also decreasing, something like make it little smaller. Yeah, something like make it little. Yeah, here I want to place, right? So click here. After clicking that one, here see there is a the markers are there, the 3 side markers, so 3 XYZ. So here right click on that and choose here create solid and a camera. Now see here the solid position is added there. Okay, the solid position is added there, and if you observe here, there in the solid layer. Okay, so suppose here this is your the position, make it more properly. You can check this one. It's something like you can change these points how you want actually. You can position it is. Yeah, it is something like, right? Should I place? Then what you have to do, right click on that and find pre-compose. Okay, here if you want to give the name, you can give the name track solid comp, otherwise leave all. Suppose here there are 3 options are there here, so choose the first one here, the leave all attributes in that one. Okay, and say okay, and now it is added. Now double click on that. Here it appears new composition, right? In the new composition, suppose here you can delete that one. Okay, and then what you have to do, go to the settings. Suppose here right click here and composition settings, you can change this to your 3D camera settings. Suppose that can be 1920 by 1080. Okay, so that means what? We are matching these 2 original camera sequence, right? Settings. Save okay. Now it is change it to the the original sequence settings. Okay, then what you have to do, go to your project panel, there find your video, suppose which video you want to place, suppose this is, so drag here and drop, it appears here. Okay, then go to your 3D composition, where it is, here it is, see my 3D composition is there. Now here it is already added to your 3D composition. If you want, you can give some changes. Here suppose I am playing, otherwise you can place here also, make this yes, as per your requirement you can change the positions as per your requirement. You can change this, suppose here it is this much I want. See, no need to confuse. It is in the 3D atmosphere, just simply you can play around this and you can place. Now, if you observe this one, see, I am playing this one, it is part of your original video. So, what you did, this is your actual video with the help of the 3D tracking. So, we placed this one anywhere, suppose here if you want to, you can place here. But you have to place properly, you have to adjust all these things. You can experiment, then you will understand. Now see, place this one, it is there. So suppose what it is, moving along with the object. Okay, you can keep this here or there, anywhere. Yeah, now see, it is part of your video. By using this 3D tracking, you can add the objects along with your main video. Okay, this is all about your 3D tracking.